In this video, I will show you how to download and install WinSCP FTP in Windows 11. If you want to download and install WinSCP without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, we have to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, then you have to search WinSCP, then download. After searching WinSCP download, then press enter. After pressing enter, you can see WinSCP official site download. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach WinSCP official website. It is official website of WinSCP where we can download it. For downloading, simply click download WinSCP. When you click this button, you have to choose where you want to save it. Save this file. Here I am choosing. If you have problem with downloading, then click direct download. You have to again click direct download. Now you can see file has come. Now we have to choose where you want to keep this file. I am choosing download folder, then save. Now our file is downloading. Until we have to wait. Next we will install it after completing this process. Before I can tell you, it is official website of WinSCP where we can download this folder. Now when you press Ctrl J in a keyboard, you can see WinSCP is downloading. Here you can see we have downloaded WinSCP. Now it's time to install it. For installing, simply click folder icon. When you click folder icon, you will reach WinSCP. You can see here file is present. For installing it, simply right click on it, then click open. When you click open, here you can see install for all user, recommended, install for me. Here choose install for me only. Then you have to choose accept. After accepting, then typical installation, choose this option. Then click next. Then click next and then install. Now our setup is installing and you can see we have downloaded and installed WinSCP in Windows 11. Now we can use it. Here you can use it WinSCP without any error. You can simply open it and use it. I hope this video helped you how to download and install WinSCP in Windows 11. If you have any query, ask in comment box.